Hey everyone!
What do you have?
Strawberries!
Bananas!
Chocolate Oreos!
Nutella!
Whipped cream!
Wow, that is a lot of ingredients. What are we going to make?
Let's make canapes.
Can I make a canape?
Sure, you can make a canape.
Can I pay for the canape?
No, they are free!
How do we do it?
First, we have to cut up the fruit.
Is Oreo a fruit?
No! Oreo is a cookie. Fruit is things like bananas and strawberries.
Okay, we cut up the fruit. What are we going to do now?
Now, we're gonna fill up our icing.
What's the icing?
Icing is something sweet you can use to hold food together, like whipped cream or Nutella.
Bag it up. Nice.
Now, let's make a canape.
Follow me.
Oreo!
Spread some cream.
Strawberry!
Nutella.
Banana!
Nutella.
Strawberry!
Toothpick.
Okay, we have a canape.
But it's so small. Can we make another?
Sure, let's go.
Oreo.
Icing!
Fruit.
Icing!
Fruit icing.
Fruit!
Toothpick.
Ta-da!
Hey, yours looks a little different.
Yeah, but the important thing is this. Start with the Oreo, then use icing.
Then put fruit on top of the icing.
Then put icing on top of the fruit.
Does it matter which fruit?
Nope,
Does it matter which icing?
not at all. You can have fun and make your own canapes.
They may look a little different, but they are all yummy.
Can we make some more?
Yeah! Canape time!
See you next time.